Hey, what's up, my YouTube friends? My woodworking friends. So I bought these woodworking rules on Amazon. They're a knockoff of the woodpecker pedalini rule. Just to tell you up front, okay? I'm not a big fan of any company that rips off another company's designs and copies them. These are not 100% copies, okay? They're probably like 98.999%. The only thing that they're missing, two different things in this design is this cutout isn't as big, okay? It's not as long as the woodpecker version of it. And that little diamond that's in here somewhere, well, I don't know if the diamond serves a purpose. But as a whole, these rules are pretty nice rules. All the measurements are accurate. They're dual, so they're imperial and metric. They're in sixteenths, 30 seconds. So you got sixteenths on the bottom, 30 seconds on the top. Flip it over, and you have metric and then sixteenths again. And one side is metric on the end. So you can take drill bit, or not drill bit. Yeah, drill. You could take router bit heights, saw blade heights. I don't use these for that sort of thing. I use setup blocks for that, precision setup blocks that I have for height, or a caliper. Like I said, the only difference is this thing, the square slide doesn't fit in here on its own, like exactly easily. So you have to finagle it. Sorry, you have to finagle it into this opening. I don't see that being a big thing because it'll stand up on its own on any flat surface anyway. So to me, it's no big deal. But the stop is the stop. You know, you can't really do the stop wrong. The little knots for your pencil is there at the end, and it's just a good, nice little ruler. Again, I don't condone companies that rip off other companies in their designs. But hey, I'm at fault too for supporting these people. And $25.98 or 99 for this three-piece set. You can't beat that deal, right? Sorry, woodpeckers. I love you guys, but sometimes you just got to do what you got to do. uh, like I said, I'll give them 3.5 stars out of 5, and that's only because they ripped off somebody else's design. They really didn't think about this. They didn't come up with this on their own. So, hey, be safe on your job site. Oh, let me show you a quick little holder I made, too. So here's my holder. It's just a scrap of wood, another piece of scrap, dadoed in, and I made little notches back there that the rule just drops into. Hold on. This is where I put this. I gotta make sure that this little guide is down. Just drops in, and that's it. Stops on that little notch in there. Just all scraps. Nice little holder. I like it. Be well, be blessed. Sorry. Until the next time, I'll see you.